Okay, it's the grumpy guy and
Dopey dude back again for another vaporizer review.
But we have had some criticism saying our videos are crappy.
I thought unwarranted,
Highly unwarranted.
but you have to listen to the good and the bad.
Yeah, so we've been watching some other videos for inspiration to get a bit more professional. And a lot of them have like cool music and stuff and nice graphics. Like sometimes it'll just zoom in like that.
And a lot of turning of the vaporizers. A lot of that. So fluid. Perfect.
Like that. So this is what we don't have any of the equipment that does any of that stuff.
But we don't need it. We don't need it.
No, because you can just go and it looks really cool.
Looks amazing.
Yeah. So we'll be
open it up.
Yeah.
Why not? Hardly gonna look at the box. Look at that. Who?
And like they'll have wee shots of like the empty box, because even without the vaporizer, so people can just look at the empty box. Ooh. I don't know why they do that in those videos.
No, it's silly.
It is silly. Who wants to look in the empty box?
No one.
Nobody.
No.
But they still do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they get the views. And
They
all the money.
they get the views and the subscribes and the comments and the likes and all that good stuff.
What do we get?
What do we get? Nothing.
No.
Yeah. Anyway, this
Vaporizers.
is
The Black Widow Dry Herb Vaporizer.
also a poisonous spider.
Yeah, as you can see there, nice wee cool Black Widow engraved on the side, mixed in with the LED display.
I believe it's only the female Black Widow spiders that will actually kill you.
Yeah, the males won't bother.
No, I don't believe they're poisonous, but I haven't like Wikipedia'd it or anything.
No, I guess it's not confirmed.
Word in the street.
You read it on the internet somewhere, yeah?
I think I did, yeah.
Okay. Well then I trust it.
Fair enough.
Look at this, 5 clicks. And look at that.
Look at that, straight on.
Yeah, straight on. 30-second heat up time.
None of your 6 clicks nonsense.
No. That's way too much.
That's far too much.
I don't have that time
no,
in the
who
day.
does in this
No
modern
one.
day and age
6 clicks. Huh.
of
Jesus.
Underground trains and the like.
And look at this. You can take this off and you can already feel the heat coming off it.
Do you feel the burn?
No.
Just
The
feel
heat. Yeah, just the heat, not burning. It's too safe for that.
It is too safe.
This is high quality manufacturing from China.
I was thinking.
I
was thinking about exercising.
Okay, that was it, yeah.
Yeah, that's burn, isn't it?
Yeah,
Feeling the burn.
yeah, I know. I can see how you got
But
mixed
you know
up.
when you put your hand on the cooker and you didn't realise it was on earlier on?
Yeah.
It's
You won't get this with this.
No.
No, this is absolutely 100% safe. You can give this to anyone and they'll make it work.
Except for children.
Except for children, of course. Definitely don't give it to children.
No, we do not condone any of that behaviour whatsoever.
No, 18 plus or whatever the age limit is in your state or country.
Yeah, we haven't done anything flashy in a while. We'll go.
That's just upping the production value.
Keep people into
Yeah. We got conduction heating as well.
Ooh.
Yeah. A 5-minute cut-off time, so that after 5 minutes, if you haven't used it, just turns off.
So you don't burn the house down.
So you don't burn the house
if
down.
Only I'd known that.
And
before.
if you remember, 5 clicks.
There it's off.
Turns it
Not
off.
6 on this baby.
No,
just
not 4. Perfect number 5.
Yeah. It's the same number of fingers you have in your hand.
Yeah.
Including the thumb.
If you forget that, just think about that.
That's how you know.
Yeah.
Just look at your hand. That'll tell you. And you use it to turn it on as well. See, it's all connected. Do you know what else they have on the flashy videos? They have celebrity guests.
Celebrities, I was just about to say guests. Yeah, so it's not just 2
guests.
lads. Yeah.
So, who do we have?
Hopefully no one. Oh no.
Hello. That's the duck. The duck is our celebrity guest who loves
he a
using
celebrity?
the Black Widow. Yeah.
Is he a celebrity? Who knows about him?
You.
And one person.
And me.
You're a friendless moron who no one likes.
The duck's my friend. Are you my friend? He shakes my hand. He's friendly. You want to shake the duck's hand?
No.
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 Do you like
He
the?
embarrassed me last
Do you like
time.
the vaporizer duck? Yeah. There we go. The duck loves it. We got a celebrity guest.
He's got the duck
We've
stamp
got
of
actions.
approval.
We've got 360 degrees of spinning, fantastic action. It's It's like one of the Die Hard movies. This isn't
Michael
it?
Bay directed this, man.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah. Oh well, he was signed up for it. He was attached, but I don't know if it actually panned out that way.
He's quite busy. Bad Boys 7.
360 panning out there. Bad Boys 7. Yeah. It's really 6 Bad Boys movies too many, isn't it?
Oh well, the second one. Come on.
Yeah.
You can't get enough of Martin Lawrence.
Yeah. Well, it's Vaporizer reviews we're doing here. It's not movie reviews. But anyway, there you go. There's the Black Widow in our all new, highly functional, high production value videos.
Yeah.
Let us know if you think we went overboard with the production values
In
the comments.
In case we have to scale it back.
Yeah, we want to scale it back. We spent a lot of money on this video.
Yeah, if this is make or break for us. You know? If this doesn't get 1 million views, we're out of a job.
Yeah, the duck's gone.
Yeah, we're gonna have to kill it.
Yeah,
you know,
and eat it because we won't have any food. Sell it to the local Chinese or something, maybe, I don't know. But so like, share, subscribe.
Tell us what you think about the video down below.
Yeah, thank you very much.